going to be on speed and encountering. And basically, you use the same equation you just learned from the last lecture given by Alan. So does anyone remember the equation that he gave? Yes?
Distance equals speed times time.
Nice. What's your name again?
Critique.
Good job, Pratik.
Thank you.
Okay, so this equation, if you're having trouble memorizing this, you can just remember the word dirt, and that just basically gives you the equation. So the only thing different about this lecture from the last lecture is that they're going to give you two objects, and they're going to tell you that those two objects are like coming from opposite sides and both approaching one center, like this, let's say, and they're going to ask you for the distance, the rate, or the time of any of the objects. So let's do an example. So Charles and his brother, so those are your two objects. So let's write two equations. dc for Charles is equal to rc times tc, and his brother, so I'm going to put b for the brother, db is equal to rb times t. So they were 250 meters apart in the park. That means the total distance is equal to 250 meters. And they began walking towards each other at a speed of 25 meters per minute and 30 meters per minute respectively. So Charles, the rate of Charles, we know, is 25 meters per minute. And rate of brother, we know, is 30 meters per minute. So how far were they apart after 4 minutes? So we know that both their times is 4 minutes. So now all we have to do is plug these into the equations. So dc is equal to 25 times 4, and db is equal to 30 times 4. Okay. Preston.
Yes.
What is the total distance traveled by Charles given this equation?
100.
Good job. What's
Good
the
job,
unit?
Meters.
Good.
Good job.
Don't forget to put the unit, or else you're gonna get points taken off by your teacher. So, Hannah, what is the distance traveled by his brother?
120 meters.
Good job. So now, all we have to do is add these two, because it's asking how far were they apart in 4 minutes, and then you're supposed to do 250 minus 100 plus 120, and that's going to be your answer. So 250 minus 100 plus 120. Alan.
He's a bore. Here, hang on.
Okay, I'll write it over there. All right. Okay. Do you get it?
All right, you get 30.
30? That is the answer. Good
Good
job.
job, Alan.
And that's the end of this lecture.
Wow.